Hello guys, in this video I will brief you about curing of concrete. Basically, what is the curing of concrete? It is the maintenance of satisfactory moisture content and temperature in concrete for a period of time immediately following placing and finishing so that the desired properties may develop. We all know that when we add water to the cement, heat of hydration process takes place. So it exhibit a large amount of heat. So but the heat of hydration process does not complete until the all heat exhibited by the cement is 100%. So curing has a strong influence on the properties of hardened concrete. Proper curing will increase durability, strength, water tightness, abrasion resistance, volume stability, and resistance to freezing and thawing. Definition of curing as per ACI 308R. The term curing is frequently used to describe the process by which hydraulic cement concrete mature and develops hardened properties over time of result of continued hydration of the cement in the presence of sufficient water and heat. Curing is the process of preventing the loss of moisture from concrete. Types of curing. Mainly curing is divided into 4 types. First one is water curing. In water curing, it is further divided into immersion, ponding, spraying, wet covering. Wet covering in terms of gunny bags are covered, all the structural members are covered with gunny bags, that is wet covering. Spraying, by using spray, the water is throwing to the surface of structural member. Ponding, generally after slab casting, the pond is made up, that means the boundary is made around the slab to cover all the edges and water is filled in that particular area. That kind of curing is called ponding. Immersion, generally immersion kind of curing are used in laboratory where the concrete testing are done, like if you are going to cast 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter concrete cube and you are putting the cube on in particular pond for curing, that condition would be immersion condition because you submerge the cube in pond. Second one is steam curing. Steam curing is actually very costly, so generally we cannot see on site like steam curing is providing. Third one is self curing or membrane curing. Self curing is generally takes place when we add kind of admixture to the mix, so the admixture help the hard mass to absorb the moisture from the environment. Fourth one is miscellaneous, like curing by infrared radiations, electrical curing, etc. So miscellaneous curings are very costly. So in the particular situation where this kind of curing is needed, then only that is provided, otherwise the normal type of curing that we can see on site, that is water curing. What is self-curing concrete? It has been pointed out earlier that curing does not mean application of water. It means also creation of condition from promotion of uninterrupted and progressive hydration. It is also pointed out that the quantity of water normally mixed for making concrete is sufficient to hydrate the cement content. Concrete in which the mixing water is restricted by means of some chemical compound to go out from the concrete body is known as self-curing concrete. So this is the end. Thank you so much.